Well, hello friends. It is Running Kimono, and in today's video I thought we would do something kind of fun and take a trip through the Wayback Machine back into 1982 and look at some coupons. Now all of these coupons came from a friend. Her grandmother had a storage unit and she recently went through it and gave me all of the vintage coupons that she could find because I love this stuff, and I thought a lot of you would get at least a chuckle out of some of this stuff because it is pretty old, and just to look at a little bit of coupon history because this has been going on for a very long time. So I think a lot of these coupons are from the early 80s, and there is no barcode, as you can see. This one is 15 cents off some vinegar, so I think this was closer, yeah, Easter when these coupons come out. We have 25 cents off of some Sunny Delight. Look at that old bottle of Sunny Delight. It's still the same shape, but that is an old vintage logo. I just love this stuff. I don't know what it is. And even though these are in pretty ratty condition, you know, I'm gonna try and preserve them somehow or put them in a frame of some sort. We have the Quaker Oats. And then some vegetables down here. I don't know, I just find this stuff really fascinating. We have a whole bunch of food coupons here. We have the Aunt Jemima, Splendid Tea, and we have some hair products, and I guess a wild animal ate that part. So these were in a storage unit for a very long time, and yeah, it just, my friend saw them and she's like, oh my God, you need to have all of these. So I was just very grateful to have them. Now this is totally up our alley. We have Shield, which is 2 bars. Mrs. Empty Nester, I might send her the link for this video so she can get a look at this. She probably remembers precisely when all of these were out because she's been couponing a really long time and she knows a lot of these products as well. Really nice lady. We have Whisk, Final Touch, I guess it's some sort of detergent. We have All for 30 cents. Mrs. Buttersworth, Sunlight. I think this product is still in Canada, but it's not here anymore. We have the Dove bar soap and then the All concentrate. So that is kind of interesting. On this next page, we have a little bit of Drano and an O-Cedar rebate right there. Some sort of dog food right here for a free 4-pound bag of Praise dog food. Should I bring this to the Dollar General? Oh, it expired on April the 2nd of 1983. My kitten's playing again. Sorry about the jingle bells in the background, but I'm sure a lot of you don't mind. So a sweepstake to win a car. Wow. 25 cents. And we have Windex. And we have 20 cents off. When I first started couponing back in like the like 2008 around there was tons of deals for free Windex, but that's kind of changed. I wonder why Essie Johnson did this. Now this is really bad advertising. They should have one of my cats for Fancy Feast, but I love that gorgeous long-haired white cat. We have 15 cents off. Okay, so let's take a quick look. We're not going to look at every single page of this, but this is a family circle. We have Richard Simmons on the front. Some sort of column by Mr. Simmons. I think he's fantastic. We have some Clairol hairspray. This is called Final Net. I don't remember that. Ooh, we have a floor, no wax floors with Perk. Do you guys remember any of these products? If you do, please let me know in the comments. Brand Buds. Cereal was a big thing in all of these magazines. They would always have coupons. Look at that old Maybelline ad. Back when cigarettes were cool. Don't smoke. That's a Johnson & Johnson ad, guys. I think this is around Easter time that all of this stuff was, this magazine and the other coupons. There's a happy little guy. Look at these old kids' toys. So I think this was closer to Easter, and they're really trying to, you know, buy these toys. Look how much fun they have with them. Oh, here's something cool. We got some sort of Annie product here. Oh, and then Ovaltine. My husband and I were recently watching A Christmas Story, and yeah, I guess the advertising stiffed even in the 80s. We have this beautiful lady with her Diet 7-Up, and then we even have a coupon for Diet 7-Up. Some dog food. Look at that beautiful bulldog. That's an Excedrin ad. Look how old these Excedrin containers are. And he's like, are you feeling okay? I need an Excedrin. Oh, and she has money to buy the Excedrin there too. We have some mayonnaise. I mean, I really love, in the old advertising, how they would have like, just like a whole storyline of what the photo was all about. And you just can kind of piece it together. We have some pudding pops. Shaven. Cool Whip. That's a great ad for Milk-Bone. I'm just looking for coupons, guys. And this is like nothing short of like, it's like, this could be a phone book in some towns. There's a little something for us. Oh, look at Annie. I remember this movie back in the day. Ooh, here it is, guys. Tide. That was a long time ago. Yeah, so whenever I release videos like this, Jana, Mrs. Empty Nester, always knows exactly when, and she'll be like, oh yeah, this is that, and da-da-da-da-da. Like, she always knows everything. Because she was couponing back in the 80s. So she is like an original couponer. I'll link her YouTube page if you guys wish to watch it. But she's really a nice lady. Look at this. We have the Dr. Pepper lady with this. I'm amazed with the amount of cigarette ads, but I guess that was advertising back in the early 80s. Parmesan cheese. You know, it's just something you just would not see today, so that's why it's kind of shocking to me. Another one right here. Kikkoman. And it's really cool, too, to see products that were, you know, something back in the day and they just don't exist anymore. Look at this one for soft soap. Look at that. And then here's one for the shower. Oh, it's an old phone. Wow. Band-Aids. So every page, you know, there's an article here on cholesterol, and then like a huge ad. So this must have been the heyday for advertising. Skipping meals to lose weight. Try figurines. Not on the market anymore. Oh, it's by Pillsbury. Interesting. A little coupon there. Oh gosh, remember these? Wow. Every bathroom in the 80s had one of those. And a whole bunch of baking recipes, kind of cool. So a delicious recipe, how to make it, and then everything you need to buy at the store. You pick up the magazine and then you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go get all that. Lipton. Log Cabin. It's my dinner, roast beef. Wow. Okay, so we're going to end on this Hershey's frosting because this magazine's still going, and 15 cents off. I hope you guys have enjoyed this walk down memory lane. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up, and hopefully you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I just love vintage stuff. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.